Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn another way of getting distinct values in SQL and in DAX. So let's write one query. Select static from products, and then we can write some column name, product name, and product color. Just execute, and here you can see we are getting 397 rows. And if I write group by product name and color, so write execute, and here you can see we are getting 295 rows. So with the help of grouping, we are removing all the duplicates. So how we can get the same result in DAX? So let's go to the DAX query, and here we can see we have product table, and let's write a function in DAX called summarize. So it's a create a summary, the input table grouped by the specified column. So it takes the first parameter is the table name, that is products, and then we need to group by product name, and then we need the another group by products color. So that's it. Another feature here is in the DAX Studio is you just click the format query. You just need to select all and format it. So here we can see we need the first parameter is the product, and then the group by product name and product color. So here in the previously we were getting 397 rows, and after applying grouping, let me click run, and here you can see 295 rows and all the duplicates were removed. So this is another way of getting distinct values, as we have seen in the previous lecture with the use of distinct function.